Chestxpert product that we have created using the latest base model that we have trained. So for this, actually, we initially used the Streamlit, but when we expand the system, the performance seems to be dropped and loading time was very high. So we thought of removing the Streamlit and use React.js for front end and Flask API as the backend. So currently we have hosted the front end in Firebase hosting, and our backend Flask API in AWS is EC2 T2 medium instance. So we have implemented load balancer to ensure scalable architecture, which effectively addresses any potential traffic issues in the future. So initially we used and another limitation is like initially we used a REST API and it seems to be disconnecting when generating long reports due to the timeout. So we switched to WebSockets, which help us to like extend our system to even more functionality. So let's walk through our amazing product, the Chestxpert. So this is the home screen of the Chestxpert, and we have included why, what, and how it does the Chestxpert report generation in here. So moving into the results page, actually this show the results of our research, including all the classification results and report generation results. So moving into the usability, so this page contains all the usability, the system usability study that we have done and all the results of it. We have included these things because the users who are using this actually have a great trustworthiness by seeing these results. And quickly moving into the user manual, you can see the step-by-step instruction for even which even for a user who doesn't have technical background can simply understanding. So we have shown everything in simpler manner, which will improve the convenience of the users who are using this. And next, so this is the configuration page, which shows some configuration which the user can adjust to change the report that is being generated. And quickly moving forward, so this is the contact us page. So the user can actually reach to us by submitting this form about any issues, feedbacks, and also this shows the team and their respective email addresses. So finally, we will try our product. So you can click this try out button. And so first thing is to like upload the chest X-ray, and after so I'll just go here and upload a sample image of which I have downloaded earlier. So after so as you can see, after uploading it, you can use these features to edit the image. You can like rotate, zoom, or crop to remove any unnecessary areas. Then you can like click generate button to like generate the report. So this takes some time, and since the time is limited, I'll show results of a previously generated chest X-ray analysis. We will come back to this page after the to like see the results. Yeah, actually I have reloaded the page. So we'll wait until this happens. So usually this takes some time because the words are generating word by word. So it will take some time to generate the report. So yeah, it's generating. So after like I will show it later as well. So there is a section. So yeah, since it is generated, I will go through it. So as you can see, we have given the results in the separate section. So first in the disease prediction stage. So this section gives the classification results. So this shows the most likely disease, which with its accuracy, and also the text next best two diseases which we have in the best which has the best accuracies. Also, like Chestxpert gives you the breadcam heat maps for the classification, and you can use this slider to get better view of it. So next, to incorporate a human in the loop, we have give the feature where a medical profession can select the accuracy of the predicted diseases by Chestxpert. So according to their expertise, so and an average prediction and selected accuracies will be shown as the final accuracy in here. So if he choose a greater value, then it will show greater value. So in the report generation task, next moving into the like this section, we have the report generation section. So this contains all the report, the generated report, and also we have also given option to like input the radiology opinion to include the human in the loop approach for this process as well. So the radiologist can enter any changes or additions to consider in the generated report in this text box. And also we can utilize that to rate our generated report by getting the radiology entered report as true text. For that, we are using the blue score matrix. So here we can given a button to copy the generated report directly to the text box, and radiologist can edit it. And here we can validate like the accuracy as well. So currently it's giving 100%. And if we simply like remove some words from it, or assume that it is changed by the radiologist, and in that way, like the accuracy will be decreased, because the generated report will be less. The accuracy of the generated report will be less, since the report in the text box which we have considered as the true text is correct. And going forward about the model explainability, the explainable interpretation for medical reports has been is being depicted here. So this shows attention map for each of the sentences, and we have also used as given attention maps using the different color maps to improve the visualization. So here we use the sample same concept as in the the GradCam, which uses the gradient map to visualize. So but here we use the attention map and convert it to the superimposed images after mixing it with the color map. So here we have given two color maps, namely the jet color map and the binary color map. So you can use this slider to go over the attention maps. So finally, the Chestxpert report section, where you can download the report. Here you can actually input the patient details if you want. And those details, they have like read and so if you enter the details, then you have to like read and agree to the privacy policy which I have created specifically for Chestxpert, as you can see in here. And after that you can like tick the box in here. And then finally you can like also tick this box if you are willing to provide the manually written reports to enhance the performance of the Chestxpert in the long run. So after that you can actually so by clicking this button, you can actually download the report or print it. So I will show a downloaded report, as you can see in here. So so these are downloaded reports. So as you can see, it has almost everything using the Chestxpert results page. And that's pretty much about everything. So yeah, thank you for listening, and we are open for questions.